Welcome to week 10. This week we're going to look at not only creativity tools but productivity tools. We're going to look at using Google Forms to collect some data, and the idea of what is data visualization. I hope you enjoyed the introductory videos. We're going to look at Hans Rosling's TED video, which he takes a very complex idea with a lot of data, and he presents it in a very engaging and exciting way. There's a 2-minute video again of Gar Reynolds. How do we make a data presentation slide that's not boring? I think in the previous, week 8, when people were talking about the difference, or week 9 actually, the difference between presentation and digital story, they're saying that presentations are boring. There are a lot of data. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. And I think, one of the key things we've been looking at is that presentations for business even don't have to be boring. I mean, look at Hans's presentation. That could be that could have been for a business. Same as Gar Reynolds. So really keeping that idea in mind, how do we take data and create a visual representation that's engaging, and essentially it's simplifying it. So not only will you look at more complex issues and complex tools, we're going to practice by starting on step 1. We're not going to make the complex ones, and I think some of you in the previous ones have sort of overthought what the projects in each week had to be. These are introductory. I don't expect fully blown out rich, engaging presentations or infographics for this week. This is an introduction. So you're learning the tools. We're going to use Google Forms to collect data. Only make one question. You don't need anything more than that to collect data. We're going to create graphs or charts from those. We're going to use Google Presentation just to make one slide, similar to what Gar Reynolds is talking about. But if you choose, instead of the slide, you could use one of the free infographic tools, and they particularly easily, that one, it gives you some templates, and you simply interchange your data, your images in those templates. So if you want to use that one, you can. I've demonstrated using a Google presentation slide, but if you want to go on and use the other option, that's your choice. So keep it simple, but show me that you understand the purpose of what we're doing, how to collect data, and how to make a simple slide. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me.